The mobile app that we have for P4P software is available on iOS as well as Android devices. This is going to be where your employees can log in every single day and clock in and out. The beautiful thing about the mobile app is if they clock in and they clock out, it'll automatically create a time card for you inside of P4Psoftware.com. So when you as the manager log in on your desktop, you're able to immediately see the time card, and all you have to do is either allocate it towards a project if they're on a multi-day job, or put the budget hours and the hourly rate that they're getting charged for those hours inside the time card, and it'll run it. That is when it's the most efficient. P4P software is the most efficient if they are using the app to clock in and out of, and therefore allowing you to not have to copy and paste that data from some other app, where they're punching in and punching out at the end of each day. So make sure that they're punching in and out. If you have another CRM, because we have not yet completed our integration with Copilot CRM, you won't have to worry about this next part. But for the vast majority of us currently that are not using Copilot yet, if we have not finished the integration yet, which won't be till the end of 2023, until then, you can make sure that when they clock in and out on the P4P app, that's at the beginning of the day. Then they'll go into their CRM, do their jobs throughout the day, punch in and out of those jobs. And at the very end of the day, they punch out of P4P. So how we kind of think about it is like a sandwich. Like, look, at the beginning of the day, when you walk in, you punch into P4Psoftware.com on their app. And then you go into the CRM, do your jobs throughout the whole day. At the end of the day, go back into P4P and clock out. So it's a great way to be able to make sure that they just know beginning and end of the day, that's when I'm going into P4P. The other thing that is really cool about on the app that we're rolling out here in the next couple of weeks in spring here 2023 is the push notifications. So now, instead of them just getting an email of the daily report that shows them how they performed from the day prior, now they'll get a push notification on their mobile app as soon as you complete the time cards and then submit the payrolls. A lot of people forget that you got to submit the payrolls and then send the reports each day. When you send the reports, though, now you'll be able to do a push notification in addition to just an email. Again, most people are going to open up the push notification as employees much sooner than they would opening up an email that a lot of them don't check very often. So push notifications will be fantastic. In addition to the push notifications, as we head into spring 2023, we're going to be adding in 3D notifications, data-driven decisions, as push notifications to the crew on their mobile device. I'm going to go walk through what those 3D notifications are and how you as a manager can determine which ones are sent to them automatically or ones that you need to actually approve before it goes out to the employee. But ultimately, having the mobile app is the control panel, kind of like where the employees you want them to be having their eyes on, because also here in spring 2023, we are rolling out the ability for them to be able to see their individual performance on a chart over the course of time. In the past, this information was only given to the manager, but now when they log into their mobile app, not only will they clock in and out, see reports of what their P4P was, etc., but now they'll be able to scroll down and see all their charts of what their performance has been over the course of time in terms of hourly pay and how many budget hours they've been completing, and the metrics that they need to know if they are improving or decreasing in their performance.